Hello, and welcome to Block 7. In today's video, we'll take you on a journey through an inspiring architectural masterpiece known as Cavern House in Singapore. Let's explore together how this home uniquely combines design concepts with optimal functionality to create an extraordinary living experience. Cavern House is the brilliant work of the Super Assembly architectural team, led by Iskandar Idris, covering an area of 533 square meters and completed in 2024. This house offers a design approach inspired by the captivating formations and expansive spaces typically found within caves. The main idea behind Cavern House is to create immersive spatial experiences while fostering the bonds of the family living within. The inspiration from cave structures is reflected in the use of organic forms and interconnected spaces, creating an atmosphere that is both mysterious and inviting to explore. To add an element of surprise for visitors, the main entrance of this house is concealed behind a minimalist windowless facade. Upon entering, visitors experience a transition from a modest foyer to a series of interconnected spaces that open up towards the rear of the house, creating a dramatic sense of discovery and openness. At the heart of Cavern House lies a carefully planned spatial organization designed to encourage interaction and visual connectivity among family members. Key spaces include communal dry kitchen and dining area. This area serves as the heart of family activities, with an open layout that allows for easy and comfortable interaction while cooking and dining together. Versatile living room. The living room is adaptable to various needs, from casual gatherings to entertainment, all while maintaining visual connections with surrounding spaces. Family study room on the second floor. This room is designed to be a quiet place for study and work, yet it remains visually connected to other areas, ensuring ongoing engagement and communication among family members. The interior of Cavern House features a blend of playful geometries and vibrant colors, creating a lively and energetic atmosphere throughout the space. The use of high-quality materials such as products from Lamitac and Toshiba timber adds an elegant and warm touch to every corner of the house. top floor of Cavern House offers intriguing recreational amenities, including an observatory with a circular skylight, adding a touch of curiosity and wonder. This space allows residents to enjoy views of the night sky while creating a tranquil and reflective atmosphere. Situated on a site with step topography, where the rear is at a lower ground level, Cavern House's design takes full advantage of the natural slope through a terraced arrangement of the communal spaces. This approach creates a continuous visual connection from the lower ground floor to the second story, reinforcing a sense of openness and togetherness within the home. This project is the result of collaboration among various professionals, including general contractors ARSEA, civil consultants Lawngrove, and MEP consultants Superica. The stunning visual documentation by Studio Stacked perfectly captures the essence and beauty of Cavern House's design. That wraps up our tour of Cavern House, a perfect example of how nature-inspired design can be brought to life in a modern, functional, and aesthetically pleasing home. Thank you for watching this episode on Block 7. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiration and home design ideas. See you in the next episode.